Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to 28th. December 16th to 20th, we have a split flow that develops across the nation, but we still have below normal heights or trough here over the Gulf of Alaska and Alaska. We have a weakness down here and across the southern U.S., and we have above normal heights across much of North America, the remainder of North America. Concerning the system affecting the East Coast this weekend, and again, the models aren't working, but we're going to try the best. We're going to come here to Friday, even though this is not in the period. Okay, that's the wrong map. Okay, here we are. You can see we have heavy rain, so this is this is 1 a.m. in the morning. The rain is here. We have a low that's starting to develop along the Gulf Coast. And then we're going to go to, we'll say, 7 p.m. And you can see the rain is still to the south. I think the heaviest rain is held off across these areas till later. But here's the heaviest rain. And you notice where the 540 is, it's not even on here. So, like, this is a warm system. All right. We're going to go now to, we'll say, 1 a.m. Saturday. That's probably the height of the storm. Again, I'm using the wrong map. And you can see the rain now. It's raining. Here's the heaviest rain down here on the Carolinas. And then we'll go to we'll say 1 p.m. Saturday afternoon. And you can see here's the heaviest rain out here. Now, there'll be a brief break before the next system moves in here in the Mid-Atlantic. This system will be exiting out, and wraparound rain snow in the northern fringe will slowly exit by early next week. A Canadian cold front will move through the northeast Monday, bringing cooler temperatures. Mild temperatures are forecast for the central states with anomalies of up to near 30 degrees above normal are expected. Now we're going to look at the northwest. We're going to have a series of Pacific systems that would be moving into this west, and you can notice where the 540 line is. Okay, here it is here, 546. So here's the 540 line. You can see this is snow. This is the GFS you're looking at. And then we'll go to 7 p.m. Friday night. It's moving in more. These systems will move in and into the Rockies and the Great Basin, bringing heavy precipitation. The highest elevations of Washington, Oregon will see the heaviest precipitation. All right, we'll go to 7 a.m. Saturday morning. Now it kind of levels out. Here's snow. This is mixed precipitation. And then we'll go into Sunday, 7 a.m. Here comes the next system. So this will bring a lot of heavy precipitation to this region. And then we're going to have a trough in the southern stream that will interact with Gulf moisture, and result will be rainfall across the lower Mississippi Valley and points east later in the period. Okay, December 19th to the 23rd. Here we are at the 19th. Little overall changes forecasting the pattern. Still a little bit of a split flow. We still have our trough here above normal heights across much of North America. Still a weakness down here. And we look at the rest of the models. They're pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the entire nation. And I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal. 4 degrees across here. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for Washington, Oregon, Texas, and California, and Florida. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and then below normal precipitation for much of this area. This would be good news for areas of the Mid-Atlantic that already had a lot of heavy rain so far this year, and also for parts of California that just got the heavy rain, but gives them a chance to dry out. and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Take a look at the period for December 24th to the 28th. Now, here we are at the 24th. This is the European ensembles. Well, we'll go back here. And some of the models, except for the European ensembles, are indicating a pattern change, and we'll have positive height anomalies that will be building here across the northern or the Arctic region. And this will cause the AO to trend towards negative late in the month, allowing for cold air into the Midwest and the Northeast and the Southeast. Most of the models are indicating a ridge in the west and a trough in the east. So we'll go here, we'll look at this. Here, this is GFS, ridge, trough, weak, but still a trough. And we look at, now here's the, what is this one? The NAEFS, trough, ridge more off to the west, but the European ensembles is still showing a ridge here over much of the east and off the west coast, but below normal heights. Here's a trough that will be over the west central states. This might verify because I think the cold air is going to sink here first and then move in eastward. So this might be closer to New Year's, or a couple days after Christmas this might occur. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, let me get the maps again. I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west central states. Probability of occurrence is 4 degrees above normal, and then near to below normal temperatures are forecast for this area here. Anomalies are 2 degrees below normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. Probability of occurrence 35%, and then above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.